We found a hidden resort in the middle of the jungle. Beautiful rooms, a pool, yoga area, good food, a spa, and super affordable. But it's actually the perfect place to stay in Nusa Penida. Let's check it out together.
Hello guys, and welcome to Mesare Resort Suite. So first of all, we have this beautiful terrace with a beautiful cozy couch just to chill and relax. We have these seats to eat or just to chill, to have your coffee. Here you can find this book, all the information in here about tours even, and also about breakfast, spa, and food. You can even have your room service delivered food to this room if you feel like it. And here is Mesare Resort and Yoga Retreat, so we will show you after. They also have one area for your yoga and for your exercise. Here you can find tea, coffee. Here you have mini bar, a little fridge to keep something if you want it refreshed, some glasses. It's incredible how everything is made of wood. Here you have some plates. And let's move to the main part, the room. You would never guess how much this place costs per night. Just try to make a guess after we show you everything. What I love about it is this beautiful nest from mosquitoes, of course, and you can just let it go when you go to sleep. Let me close it for the mosquitoes not to enter. Another amazing and beautiful, really unique, I would say, part here is this nature window. It's a natural TV, I would say. You don't have any TV here, but you have this wonderful view which you can open or you can close. It has a mosquito nest, so you don't need to be afraid. What I really love here is these beautiful colors and really beautiful design. Here you have a huge mirror to make your selfies or just to see how you are looking before going out. You have this closet. And what you find in here, you even find some bathrobes. You even find some slippers, ironing if you need. Safe. Oh, you even can weight yourself, which, oh no, I don't want to even touch. And here you have a hair dryer, of course. So you can keep tidy your things. And here, guys, is my favorite part. And let me show you why. Look at that! This bath and this view in Bali, this is what we came for. To chill, relax, and reset. You have yoga, you can have your personal spa, you can have this beautiful view. And it doesn't end there, guys. Let me show you the shower. Shower is so spacious, huge, and of course, guys, you open this beautiful window and again you connect with the nature while you shower. You also have these things here, so this is not just simple shower gel. This is actually made with grapefruit, lavender, and rosemary. This is made with lemongrass, lime, and orange. And again, seaside citrus shampoo. Everything is really taken care of for you guys. Smells in these shower gels are so strong, but so nice and so soft. And of course, you have most important part, toilet in here, should I say. And guys, it's also important because sometimes you can't find your things or you just lose it during the trip. So you have dental kit in here, you have a shower cap, you even have a sewing kit, and you can even find a razor here. So this resort is a 4-star resort, which includes all the utilities that you might need, or you can just call You even can make a call and you can request whatever you need from a restaurant or the reception. And one more thing, guys, if you are traveling and you need to do the laundry, you have this bag here. You can put it in the bag and actually they make a laundry for you and they bring it clean and fresh. How beautiful is that, guys? Wow. And you even have this torch, this lamp here, which you can use. Just need to turn it on. And actually you can walk outside and you have your light, but we actually didn't need it because there are so many lights at night. When we had dinner yesterday, you don't need it, but you have this reading light as well, which is very cute, subtle and cute. Everything is actually made of wood and bamboo. What I love is this net. I told you already, but it's really beautiful. We enjoy it with Amelia. We feel like princesses.
And it's time to say how much this villa cost per night here in Nusa Penida.
Yes, so this villa per night cost us 45 euro. So we would definitely recommend coming here if you want a real Bali jungle nature vibe in Nusa Penida. And the point here is that this resort is surrounded by nature and it's here in the jungle, no traffic, it's just you. But it's not far from the main activities and attractions here in Bali. It's just 25 minutes drive from main attractions like a Linking Beach. Also Diamond Beach is not very far, like half an hour or 25 minutes depending on the traffic. So guys, one more important thing to mention is that we are traveling 4 of us with kids, so basically they don't have family rooms. So what they offer is 2 separate rooms. So basically it's just here close to each other, but it's 2 separate suites. And you are not far from each other, but you are not together in the same area, which can be also very nice because sometimes you need some privacy as well.
So guys, we're gonna go to the massage now, and later we're gonna show you the yoga spot, and we're gonna show you the pool. We are gonna show you food, everything what we like. Also and the green playground. Yeah, like it's a really beautiful place to play, and we're gonna show you what we play. Yeah, but there's one problem. We were playing in that spot, but it started raining, fogging. Yeah, it was very foggy. And it was thundering so much. We wanted to go to the pool already, but it was thundering, so not late to do that. So we had to come. It's getting stronger. But the thing was so weird. She was literally, they were like, and also they cracked my freaking toes. I had all of the legs massage, like this part, and also the toes. And I made everything. Especially I got toes. Everything. I didn't thought they would even made the head.
You say everything, so they made your head, back, legs.
I don't know.
Now let's talk about the food at Mesare Resort. The food may look simple at first, but honestly, it was really tasty. Everything felt fresh and the plates were always nicely made. We tried different meals here and we enjoyed them a lot. The prices were also pretty good. Most dishes were around 3 to 10 euros maximum, which is not bad for a resort in Nusa Penida.
Salud!
And that's our full tour of Mesare Resort in Nusa Penida. We hope this video helped you if you are planning a trip here. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe because we will be showing you more places, more hotels and more adventures around Nusa Penida and Bali. See you in the next one with more Familia. Let's go!